Hi everyone, here we've got Huawei P40 Lite 5G, and let me show you all secret codes which will work on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and let me show you the first code. It's *## 2846579 ###. And as you can see, we are in a project menu. We can check some background settings, veneer informations, network information, query, software upgrade, restore factory. This is a kind of hard reset operation, and the battery. So let me pick, for example, battery, and as you can see, we can check the battery level and the temperature. Let's get back and let's check, for example, background settings. We can tap on USB port settings and we can choose the mode for it. Let's close it and let's get back to the dialer and let me show you another code. It's *##, 4 zeros, ###. And as you can see, we are in a about phone, so we can check some model, the build number, or both IMEI numbers. Let's get back and let me show you another code. It's *## 225 *##. And here we are in a calendar info. In this place will be stored all events saved on your device, for example in a calendar app. What's more, you will be able to check some holidays in your country or events attached to your mail. Now let's get back and let me show you the last code. It's *##06#. And thanks to this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.